Many times it happens now, life puts us in a difficult situation, we are stuck in a difficult situation and we don't know what to do. If in such situation you are someone who run outside for solution, who try to look for solution outside, then you are doing a biggest mistake. These are the situations which demands that we should fight with our inner demons first. What are these inner demons? The fear, the feeling of insecurity, the feeling of what will happen if I don't gain this, or what will happen if I lose it. These are the inner demons. And we have to fight with them first. Because if we can shift our inner energy, the outer reality changes. In this universe, everything is determined by energy, and we have to think in terms of energy, frequency and vibration. If we can change our energy from within, then the outer reality will change. Now, I can give you an example that how energy determines everything. One example is like the ice, water and water vapor. The formula of these three are same, H2O, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. But see the form, 3 forms are different. Ice is in solid form, water is in liquid form. So the forms, why they are different? It is different because energy is vibrating in different frequency in them. So if we can change our inner energy, if we can vibrate in higher frequency, then we can change our outer reality. This is the reality, and quantum awareness can help you to understand that how quantum dynamics gets applied in our life. And those who are in spiritual path, they can understand that whenever universe puts us in a difficult situation, actually universe demands us that now this is the time to introspect. Now this is the time to face the inner demons. And when we take shortcut, when we try to fix the things outside, then we do not take the lesson which universe is trying to teach us. And once we stop taking shortcuts, once we start facing the inner demons like fear, the feeling of insecurity, the life starts changing. And actually this is the way of universe to help their child to grow, and those who are in spiritual path, they can understand it. So difficult situation means first you have to understand that what is there in me which is making this situation more difficult. Yes, the situation is difficult, but what is making it more difficult within me? My fear, my insecurity. First you have to get hold of it. Then you have to understand that what are the strategies I was taking in my life due to which this situation has occurred. So second thing which you need to understand is the strategy you are following, whether there is any change needed there. And then after understanding these two, you have to go for the solution outside if it is needed. Most of the situations, most of the problems are like that, which do not demand any, help from outer groups. You can fix it from within. So this is the way to see the physical world from the quantum perspective. And if you can do it, if you can shift your inner energy, if you can vibrate in high frequency, believe me, the life changes miraculously. Thank you.